unfailing might. Fear the spirits of the night. Snow falls heavy on our tracks. Monster claws reach from the cracks. Echoes haunt our every step. Dread is deep and secrets kept. Siren song calls from the deep. Dreams emerge while we're asleep. Heartbeats race and pulse of dread, walking with the restless dead. Ancient stones mark sacred ground. Ghostly wails a chilling sound. Runes of old reveal our fate. In the dark our souls await. Mist conceal the dragon's breath. Frozen land of life and death. Warriors chant in battle's cry, knowing they are doomed to die. Cursed by gods and haunted past, life's